Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors.
akese ne nyina no ase akere sen ne etie kwan ben na obefa so embia wo ye busuani yiye busuani obeye den ene eno ni endwuma ye beka ho asem enti ye nse emre sisia ye beko ahoma ne so na mesra mo Facebook for ye sha ase anu no mombo modern na mon share program no share mo mani nkwa echi na ma mehwehwe ne mo ma menya na ma no why na enemintumenda se na ewia na bono mo ma menya more viewers na mentumenda me da na masonda epa. So keep on sharing, keep on sharing, keep on sharing. Let's increase the number of viewers now. Views now Facebook and the YouTube on so Misremo or YouTuber. You can watch the YouTube on your TV, which is so beautiful. You can see me, you can see Uncle Ben. It's just like you watching your normal television. TV no, so when you go to your smart TV no, na YouTube channel no, just type JN Radio. Sisia live sisia obehu se me wo ho amano aye katekate ene adom bi a onyankopon adom ye no mbehu ye ewo ho enti monye sa ma ye sisia na ye ma ye views no enkoso mon share, keep on sharing for me na najima me more good morning enti ye kwa ahoma ne so straight away ye twintwan ya name kra. Which one is this? Okay, ye twintwan ya name kra. Good morning Uncle Ben.
Good morning, Manyeti. What to say?
Dumo ni ahweye ye ho ye pa na mpatwa mo nso
Yehowa dom ya sorry anope ya ye won kwamu de na wo se dana se. Ti nyame ne dana se ye nyina ye ho ye. Metiefo ne wona wo hwe ye wo GN TV, GN Facebook, GN YouTube. Mo nyina ye damase ana Bwf Solicitors Facebook. Yeah, that was you know, Basia na yina ye ni aje se ya beshia na as a community no ni ebidi ye ho nkomo nema echi adwen a ha yen na chese ye de betudwa na no pay am say akam kasa de oka baby wo ho se otumfo e de hama ebo baabi a na otene na kyerɛ sɛ ɛhɔ na kyea ti wobɛhwɛ a EU asɛmwe yɛtaka because meyɛ a bit concern ɛnyɛ me nko a yɛadwuma no yɛ a bit concern sɛ your community no still say nhwe ye obi afeel so you free mu kra na in 4 months time na free more still no metimi akosesa mebusuafo metimi akoso aye de mi ye ya na de ma yemu bi no esi EU no supi no se EU law na yedefa ye yeremo ye nuanom ye nananom ye wofa ase ye wofa ye maame na ye ma even ye makra anyinyi omoso ma wo nyina yetimi de omoba no ebi any British immigration rules na dachi bi ye dachi no nya dachi bi a ewa bebree dachi ne 4 months ya ye nyina ye be free mu ama law a ɛwɔ hɔ dada yɛfrɛ immigration rules ɛne law a ɛɛba no ɛne na bɛbɔ EU foɔ ho ban bɔmmɔ ma yɛmfa no nyinaa mmom ɛyɛ a na yɛwɔ se yɛtetim de yɛhu yes law bi aba a wɔfrɛ no points based system a wɔde aba ɛno mfa sɛ wode w'abusuani ba ɛno fa EU ni a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔba ha foforɔ ɛno ne yɛde hwɛ saa law no hwɛ titiru obi wɔ hɔ a ɔse o lawyer medaso wɔ EU ha first of all no mɛkyerɛ ɔmo a deɛ ɛba January ɔmo ɛfa ɔmo ho ɔmo a ɛmfa ɔmo ho ɔmo a ɔmbɛtumi akata ɔmo aso na ɔmo ntie deɛ yɛrekɛn ɛne ɔmo a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tu ɛho anamo sisi a ti mo nyinaa ana mede mo abom ti yɛka se EU a EU ni yobi ebi oye German, French, Spanish, Bulgarian, Hungarian, Switzerland anya EU, but yɛne ɔmo wɔ agreement ɔmo nso ka ho bibi a yɛka biara ka ho gye sɛ ɔmo deɛ no ɛnwu till 2025 monim sɛ January a ɛtwa mu yi ana yɛfiri EU no nti EU no deɛ yɛfiri na ade ɛbɔ yɛn ho ban ɛyɛ bibi a yɛfrɛ no withdrawal agreement na saa withdrawal agreement no yɛyɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ from January a yɛwɔ mu abɛdu August yi ɛde kɔ 31st December no koraa no ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa ana ɛtimi ɛboa yɛn ɛyɛ up to 11 p.m. on 31st of December bibi bɛsi adeɛ bɛsi ne sɛ woyɛ EU ni abusuani a wɔhaba no foforɔ no ɛyɛ a atokyew kakra na yɛ Ghanafoɔ no yɛwɔ advantage bi a mpaeɛ na mɛbɔ sɛ mekyerɛ mo a obiara abuse no enti mɛkyerɛ mo advantage a Ghanafoɔ wɔ ɛno na de biara a mɛka sɛ yɛ nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ protect no because mmerɛ bi atwa mu no ɛnyɛ nyame ɛne yɛn ɛne Dr. Woodman ana kyerɛ Ghana High Commission de ne ho gyi mu a na nka yɛawareɛ no a yɛde timi de gye asetena wɔ ha yɛfrɛ no customary marriage anaa ɛfie awareɛ a ɛyɛ wɔ fie ansa na yɛde akɔgye certificate no na nka bi mu ɛsɛɛ no sɛ saa awareɛ no ɔmo kɔfa Ivory Coast ni a ɔnyɛ Ghana ni ayɛ sɛ voters register Togolese ni ɔnyɛ Ghana ni Nigeria ni ɔnyɛ Ghana ni Chinese ni India ni a ne bibia ɛmfi Ghana ɔmo nyinaa ɛde yɛ application ɛkɔ home office na ɔmo bɛbi sɛ India ni a ɔnkɔ Ghana da ne papa nyɛ Ghana ni ne maame nyɛ Ghana ni ɔba a ɔware no ne bibia mfiri Ghana ayɛ dɛ na otimi nya Ghana marriage certificate ɛna mɛka no yɛwɔ bi mu wɔ yɛ community ni mu a sɛbe ɔno deɛ obɛdi nko ara na ɔdwen ho ɔndwen community ni nyinaa mɛkyerɛ mo adeɛ a yɛn na bɛboa yɛn because mankyerɛ mo a ɛyɛ dɛn a one day mu bɛhu nti eventually no mɛkyerɛ mo adeɛ a lawyer abɛyi Ghanafoɔ ɛna ɛm sɛ Ghanafoɔ nko apɛ ana ebɛtumi abiti law no ebɛbiti law na for so many years mɛkyerɛ mo deɛ ntia na mɛma Ghana High Commission foɔ nso ehu na ɔmo ani ada ɔmo ho so na obiara ambɛyɛ mfa mbɛsɛe saa de na mɛbɛkyerɛ no manyɛ dɛn nti na yɛkasa awa BWF foɔ yɛkasa awa because EU law no ɛboa yɛn bebree say ye sikasem, say yes ye baha, say yes ye teha, say yes ye di nuanomoba. Acquire them of British law now, obedi bro 18 now. So for Ghana, almost impossible. So bit me dinaba. When you menya 18.6, wintimin foul yerimba. I just say benefits be a sabio yarienti, and I just benefits no man. International say EU mrano emo edo a boy. Now, sa December 31st, say EU ni no ewaha by then, even obaha 31st of December, no obaha anopa. Ekopem 11 p.m. No enye remu nko ade a oye covered. Omo bebe chire no wontimi emma sa. First of all, wo ba either say wo ba on a sponsored visa wo ba be ye adwuma eno no ma hyehyɛ ato ho ana say wo ba on a visit no kra no do airport a ye be create lane bia mama mo be fam a wo betwi passport na ya ma visa for 6 months. Visa no nya say the issue passport no, but because we true passport in no ombehu omo say eventually no mo national ID card amode ba ha na ye betwam ye ma on fam ha niema we na me pese mo ni ba so na obi bisa say na me mebusua se me ware foforo me wa ha sesi a me ye se be a young person makosku awie me kra EU passport. Me pese me kofa me kun eba. Se si ano pese kofa ukun ba ekwan da ho. O pese kofa oyere ba ekwan da ho. De nti a me bo ekun ane eyere, ekun ba eyere ba ne se eno ye abusua bi a yamfa nwo ana wo wanwo esa abusua no. Enti abusua a yamfa nwo ana wo wanwo sa abusua no. Sa abusua no na kire se wo ye ana broni beka wo create sa abusua no ye den create ana ye abusua e de aware ana di sa abusua no ba ti wonya ware a wukun eba wukun maame wukun papa wo yere eba wo yere maame wo yere papa o ma be ye wo busua ene wo ye EU ni a wutimi de sa nkrofo no wutimi de omoba e from close relatives under your new law no a friend appendix EU. Appendix EU na ye mienu, yawa appendix EU family permit, and yawa appendix EU SS, ye pre-settled and settled status. Sa two laws see, obia we juma omoye, already appendix EU family permit na. Number 1, ye paragraph 1, or say purpose. Or say purpose ye, omo nye EE4. Enti sa wo kofa wabusuani aba, no ye wo ba. Wo na wo sponsor no aba no ye EU ni a wontimi use appendix EU family permit no mfa nye ene echina from January wontimi use law a be use no appendix EU SS no eno no ye wo appendix EU SS ye wo paragraph 11 and ye wo paragraph 14 11 no ye for indefinite leave to remain or enter the first say you enter no say wontimi apply outside am out the ba. The fact say you remain it says ha with me the appendix 14 paragraph 14 so of sa EU law no appendix EU no and also ma ho kwan say won di 5 years ha and I won't qualify for indefinite leave ubetimi apply for limited leave to enter or limited leave to remain. What appendix EU family permit now? Na che say we EU ni a wontimi nkofa wo EU ni eba emma under EU family but appendix EU no nko a or definition of relevant EEA family member na definition of family member no eyere ka ho ekun ka ho eba ka ho ena ka ho eja ka ho omo nyina aye close family members enti omo nyina eboa ama wutimi ede omo bakro mo ha dear machichem sa because the confusion na wo ho no obi bisa say na lawyer ye free mu a na me wo ha dada mitimi de mikun eba na ansa no se wo ware be ma no ansa na ye free mu a which is 31st December ubetimi de naba wo babia wobɛwo no after no so nti woyɛ EU ni wawo baa bi a wakɔ outside ebi a wokɔ Ghana holiday no wawo anaasɛ na wowɔ ha wakɔdi bɛɛ 1 year bi ɛwɔ Holland ɛhɔ na wofi wakɔ wowɔ hɔ wopɛ sɛ woba no wobɛtumi de naba because appendix EU no paragraph 14 no ɛkava no to hwɛ ɔmo definition section na ɛyɛ appendix 1 and appendix 2 na ɛno nso ma ho kwan sɛ wobɛtumi de naba but nipa a wontumi mfa no mma ɛyɛ obi a ɔbɛba bɛyɛ wɔ busuani after sɛ yɛfiri mu no wɔn a ɔbɛba bɛyɛ wɔ busuani after sɛ yɛfiri mu saa nkurɔfoɔ no yɛ abusua a wɔde aware ayɛ but yɛ Ghana advantage yɛwɔ no sɛ yɛawareɛ no yɛtumi yɛto hɔ a yɛnkɔgye ho certificate enti wosoa statutory declaration a mesrɛ mo paa mahu sɛ m'anim asesa nsa na mɛka saa asɛm what it means ni sɛ mesrɛ mo obi a wobɛ abuse no biara no bɛyɛ sure sɛ yɛhu a yɛbɛhaw ɔnyɛ Ghanani ɔbaa no nyɛ Ghanani bɛrima no nyɛ Ghanani a mesrɛ mo ma momfa mo asɛm nkɔ Ghana awareɛ ho deɛ mekan nkurɔfoɔ bebree bɛhu sɛ Ghanafoɔ mowɔ advantage bi ɛsen yɛn enti wobɛhu sɛ Alatani Nigeriani Togolese ni Ivorian Burkinabe Indiani ɔhema deɛ mekan minim deɛ meka no because bɛyɛ 6 years ago Home Office ɛfrɛ me yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɔmo director of the EU Directorate nkɔmmɔ a ɔne me kan na yɛ very deep nkɔmmɔ menim deɛ nti a ɔfrɛ me ne me kan na deɛ ɔmo ahu ne sɛ bi mu ɔmo nyɛ Ghanafoɔ ɛuse yɛ customary marriage no tu bɛhu yɛ a report 2 ɛbaeɛ asa na akyerɛ case of CB Brazil ɛba saa reports ɛbaeɛ no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ayɛ investigation ɛhu sɛ titiriw Indians Ivorians Nigerians a ɔbaa no mfi Ghana bɛrima no mfi Ghana ɔmo tu ne nyinaa ɔmo bibia ne ɔfi Ghana ɛnso ɔmo tumi konya Ghana marriage certificate a yɛfrɛ no customary marriage mesrɛ mo saa yɛfiri mu a yɛatena ase me lawyers nyina ɛwɔ ha no yɛadwen ho sɛ dɛn ne yɛbɛtumi ayɛ aboa Ghana community no because yɛnyɛ awareɛ no yɛyɛ to hɔ a yɛnkɔ register no nti a wotumi register anytime no yɛfiri mu 2021 no yɛmfa sɛ October na wo sɛ wɔ mekɔfa me kun aba na saa kun yi afei na mekɔgye ho marriage certificate mutie ne yi o menka se kɔtwa ntorɔ sɛ wɔware 2020 anaa 2019 ba wokɔgye wo marriage certificate no 2022 anaa 2021 October November anaa December menkɔtwa ntorɔ monyɛ careful mo ankasa nka wobɛn sɛ ɛbɛtumi akɔtwa ntorɔ deɛ meka ne sɛ manyɛ tii sɛ wo baabi a mɛde fa no
I understand
sɛ woyɛ Ghanani na waware EU ni efie awareɛ saa awareɛ no yɛware de to hɔ enti yɛfiri mu koraa no a yɛaka sɛ woware obi foforɔ a wontumi ɛmfa no mma under the EU appendix EU no meme sɛ because yɛn Bwf yɛadwen mo ho no yɛhu sɛ Ghana wareɛ no yɛware de to hɔ enti sɛ wokɔ registry a ɛyɛ AMA KMA TMA na wokɔka sɛ meware 2019 but afei na mepɛ sɛ mebɛgye me marriage certificate na yɛbɛtwerɛ certificate no sɛ woware 2019 2018 2017 na mmom 2020 2021 2022 ana wobɛgye wo marriage certificate no ntɔkwa bɛba ho menim sɛ Home Office foɔ no menim sɛ ɔmadwen ho deɛ but because still no yɛbɛkɔ so a yɛ saa applications no Ghanafoɔ bɛyɛ saa applications no menim sɛ de ntɔkwa bɛba kakra ɛno nti na mebɔ mo kɔkɔ sɛ mayɔ nkɔsɛe no ɛsɛe ne sɛ bɛrima no nyɛ Ghanani ɔbaa no nyɛ Ghanani na mmom wakɔgye customary marriage a wokɔyɛ bi ne yɛhu a ana mɛka kyerɛ Ghana High Commission foɔ so ɔmo hwɛ saa de no yie wode kɔ a ɔmo de pɛn betwam atwerɛ Home Office sɛ wonyɛ Ghanani ɔbaa no nso nyɛ Ghanani nti ɔmo ntumi nkɔmfɛm hwee The final point me pesa me kan we no ho say. So wo wa hadada we EU ni abusuani a wo wo ehye sesei. So wo say we application. Wo residence card wo permanent residence card still no wo ehye say wo say we application. Now what they call residence biometric card ni bi under EUSS no. Or up to June. Say June do no one nye sa de na omo be fa na say wo ha illegally. Unfortunately no on be deported. And then make us say EU4 any omo busuafo 3.5 million asset and nra anomaye sa application ibi. 3.5 million. Out of the 3.5 million, my decision, 2 million.
Wow.
1.5 million. Out of that, Oma rejected almost 40,000. Anna 45,000 I withdraw. And Oma refuse 3,000. And the refusal no very high. The NTN high and they say, Obiye dini huni. Obi ankoye fake nieme bia enkoto so. Mamo nko so alateninsa Nigerian, Togolese ni Ivorian. Ya warrior no enye ECOWAS marriage. A Ghana customary marriage. Ubehu se makano at least 10 times because minim said the American nyina no. Because se ebe boa yen Ghana for no. Ebe bie kwan ama krofo bi so a omo ne Ghana for beye Canada ama omo abuse system no. Enu nti na me warn mo no because almost start abusing na onkrofo no be react. British High Commission be react. Home Office be react. Omo react here, ebi no omo react here no, and I'm always proud to say this. It took myself, Professor Woodman, and Ghana High Commission and a sign J a warrior no back. I report omo ye nyina ya challenge omo nyina ama enne nti ase aye adwuma ama what the warrior no ba sa wet ink fake stamp no stamp no way no ni nyina me no tie Irish lawyer be the report abrami about Ghana marriages or semi advice na me similar one omo refuse in 2012 still omo. The whole point in say ya warrior no favorable and every single time biano meka about customary marriage. Say for me no it is a one singular culture I work Ghana ya wa brochire no aboa yen titiru under EU law no enti moma yen som timanyeti aha ana medemo ebesi but I'm hoping say questions about eventually no ebema ye ano yi.
Yo, Uncle Ben, ye dasi, you and Sammy dear. Ye here pa. Na obin kasa advantages ye Ghanaians ye wono. Yam funny say me kuno ya menyano ana me yere a menyano. But ono no ye national no national nye say mbia mikro muni e na wakoye national na mom obroni fita ibi. Na one me ebe ko Ghana na yakoye customary married na Uncle Ben no nso
well first of all no your customary marriage no what it is a custom enti ohwe the definition of your custom now precedents usages and practices.
Okay.
Precedents usages and practices ohwe constitution now or say the laws of Ghana includes customary law. Inti ya warrior no your friend a customary law no. Tribe bia our the practices and usages are there. But the overarching ingredients are Ghana customary marriage and marriage and say there were three main broad ingredients. One, a marriage between a man and a woman, and this family and that family. Now, the definition of this family and that family, no, and cast two families in I was on my Ghana for.
Okay.
I said this family and that family. Now, mummy and Nina Munya Ghana for not just a more custom be any Ghana. It won't me. Ghana ni Definition of a Ghanaian under your constitution, both Article 8 and Article 1, no, Article 2, it define a Ghanaian. Say, Obia ne mame ne papa, ana ne nana, aya Ghanani, o ya Ghanani. Tinipa kono ya Dutch ni, ya wono Holland. Ko Ghana krada, the busuafo aya Ghana for your constitution is or your Ghanani. It doesn't matter, say, Dutch law no doesn't recognize the other nationality, but your constitution no I recognize it into your constitutional facet or your Ghanani. To say any panel, Oshia Bruni, and Alatani wa no ye Holland ni, but the papa and Anna ya Ghanani, no ko Ghana krada, na Latani no ya Ghanani no Nigerian. Still between a customary marriage, ama ye. But mainly no, I Ghana for the year. For example, ebi amanyeti ukra Belgian passport, me kura Ghana passport. Na me say me warel. Won ko Ghana da ebi ofi Suriname, oba me fi Suriname. Ba me papa fi Ghana, me ma me fi Ghana. Enti se me kase anya ho ade o Ghana. Ade a wo se wo ye de se wo elect you bi and I will appoint you be through the process of legal appointment, maybe through the power of attorney. Now, we identify any panel. So, asimesi me pese ujina homa me because me busia for any Ghana. Ti asimesi ni bejina homa. Obejina homa na waje aware na tum. Onyaji tum wo Ghana. Ana me kan ye no efie. Why ye no obakoje marriage certificate no. Enti so one of them ye Ghanaian. The other person ye Ghanaian. That's okay. Or a case of Yaote versus Kwe in Sakiti. Sa cases in what about UK? Your case be a friend of apt versus apt. I know establishes sex. Sacrona, our no bano. Sacrona just our rainy tumor. Almost so UK no. Almost just our rainy too. Or a case be to say macabre, pure Ghanaian case. Ghanaian woman, pure white British. Omojitu muse aware because papa no kra wan kobi osma maame no ofa a woko Ghana maame no ofa kugina ho ma papa no ana maame no busua gina ho ma maame no omo ya aware no ama yajitu case am ye involved both from court high court and a court of appeal because na me advise in that case the first case no Millwood versus Alfonso Brown the case itself no omo ka say customary marriage, no man and to Musa customary marriage, no, happen because Papa ni a Jamaican, Mamina a Ghanaian, but Mamina advice from the beginning. Do me hono. I was able to force Professor Woodman Amane concede say ingredients of a customary marriage no, but because of a panoka so my consent, no, lack of consent means all those ingredients no, one of the mandatory ingredients both parties and I was some of my consent no and in America say oba no nya Ghana ni no ideally now also swear power of attorney no appoint you be as the attorney now man a specific power of attorney so bet me accept it customary marriage dowry and whatever it is no contract on their behalf which means there is an explicit expression of intention and a consent and a transfer of authority. Senipa ninjina ho. Enti abasa ana dachi bia no asembie ni ho.
Yo, Uncle Bam, they say wait to me acheche musa because yenim yenya sa advantage ni de ebi mo nso be abuse no enti no uya wadwen say uko abuse a nye hu ni say enye yi. That brings me to my next question. Say yakoye certificate yakoware ne yakoye certificate na or say Ghana High Commission confirm yen identity no ansa na ya di certificate na tum before you process it to the Home Office ana
A good practice advisable say wo ye customary marriage no na wo de baha se bidu a Ghana High Commission a representative of a Ghanaian government, or also ever certified because omo ye checks, omo fra Ghana, I know because I speak to them. To omo fra usually either almost an email and now omo fra now omo bisa se mo na mo sign we no omo gituma. Bear in mind say Ghana High Commission number Minister of Foreign Affairs. Foreign Affairs letter and so that so. So signature of the person. It's very easy to check. So you're happy with all the 3 items, the certificate itself, the statutory declaration, the commission of oath, the letter from the judicial service, and then the letter from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration now. Almost better letter to so almost satisfied. So marriage certificate, are valid, and the marriage itself is valid. I don't know idea Ghana for High Commission papa because in addition to say all cassette signatures and also valid, Osaka said the marriage are valid. Now before and it wasn't like that, and that's why I keep saying say members Ghana for our atom for about 6 years, almost 30 years AD. Refusal be my say Ghana High Commission on Jintum Omujitum. And that is the more reason why I advise about say Ubenya certification every Ghana High Commission.
Oh, that's beautiful. Uncle Ben Damasi. Tier for line ye be atum 0203-735-8820 and I say 0203-286-0185. Ye were 2 WhatsApp lines are obe to me afre and I say with your voice note na ya bama back ye 077-879-39958 and then the next one is 075-966-20154. Ube to me afre na we bisa. It could be your question could be based on this particular topic and I say any other topic that we need to opese ubisa. Yenya yem first caller we the teacher chedi anka wana mdwema. You are welcome to GN Radio Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors in Pacho. Ube to me alowa u radio na set no kakra.
Malo one. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Pacho, me bisa some kakra.
Chokos.
Me na me wo you family member na my ni mechanic. Ni people who are sending home office. By a man akobo nsa no. One more letter say with me yajuma. But me who actually me my rame card I was me too kwa nene chine ya anti because me who say me to me atro no de me passport na me yeah in fact application transfer.
Well, I am first of all, no, minim the entire passport no call. Normally, so kwan can check. Enti, omo baby offer officer. I'm saying minim nipa okasa. Offer officer, Cynthia. Anna Richard, Anna Francis. Na bisa almost omo mao. Baby ubetimi aseni email akose enfa passport omra. Why?
Mate, that's me who is here to any Mate, that's
Yes, yeah. Some of the voices now on to me and fancy. Your next question. Say good morning, Uncle Ben. Please, I heard with the EU marriage, the Home Office do not give 5 years anymore. But when you apply for pre-settlement card, it's 5 years. Please, I want to know if the Miss Remo mo de ade ba Facebook now when reading na ko into mami nya difficulties kakra ntina me say mon sending messages no embra yen WhatsApp line, so don't send your message on the Facebook please. Enti me last one me kind we are men kind any message on the Facebook. Enti no let me continue from where I left. Or see well, Uncle Ben, we are sorry. Me who be me.
That's okay.
Yo, okay. Good morning, Pacho. The 4-1 maso. O kasefri na ye frozen.
Good morning, Pacho. It's Kasefri and Manchester. Almost same was that.
Okay. Hello, Pacho. Wa maso lo wa de no na ye kasa wa. Oh. Ni line na kati. Yo. Main my next question, Uncle Ben. Osi, good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Manyeti. Osi, please, I have submitted my online application for spouse visa extension. I've not uploaded my document to UK visas yet. The Home Office sent me email indicating that I am eligible for the reuse of my fingerprint, and they will send me another email. My scan documents are ready. Can I send the scan document to the UK visas now? Uncle Ben, the question or no?
Yes, so scan documents now ready. The only time I'll be to me scan is local appointment section. Now I scan the documents. However, say on your fingerprints, I'm send no link. Now I scan the documents. Say I'm send you email. Once so my catcher say okay, omo any fingerprints. Which means I must send no link. And it's our link. Upload the documents. Na case number.
Okay, lovely. So your question has been answered. Yeah, what the form is one man. So over super low gadgets now. Program ne free no. Now wait to me 18 free phone. Good morning, Pacho. I'm your say now it's a friend.
Yeah, good morning. One time I make a to Manchester.
Okay.
Pacho, Thank you so much.
Yes, Uncle Ben.
Manyati, I'm saying, yeah, na where voice no sound no nyakra timpacho. So we bet me at the amamia. The all kind, so bet me about the top amamia.
Yeah, some Uncle Ben. And Papa also.
And Pacho also.
My main tuning at the end of a question, it does, Mammy Kakra, to repeat it.
Pacho, me say, me neg or bad Ghana, but for your EU.
Pacho, what's in the years is here?
Yes, but yeah.
All right.
Me name me no bad in a warrior or your Ghana, but a warrior or Ghana.
Okay.
But not knowing that honestly, I warrior in 2011, but 1 year divorce, but one can't turn and so many. In the year, a warrior or Ghana, and I had it for 2 months. And I won't accept it, but Yantiman Yaday, or Mam Yantiman Boyers. And a later no girl realizes, this is what happened, and I'll catch them, and I make catch Nipa Oyema. And I say, oh, the best option a band is say I withdraw information because so far as why I warrior that 1 year divorce, and ye, your sound spread, and I almost send you catch and you withdraw application, and I won't accept it. In CCC, you pay information. One a first a warrior no Home Office, but they are almost about 2 weeks. Me and say, in the picture, you who are warrior, that is my question. Thank you so much.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, Oba worry will be no sound worry bioma, a bigamy, a criminal offense. You know, what fun, but when you're very careful, which your bar, I will say to me to Tonano. Now, I will be as Anabema, and young man, what to Tuna will be is our worry that where Jawa re and Sania man. I'm say sometimes no don't know for Frosana, I will prepare the questions that was a Mubisa no Mumbisa, we say creative problem amount, but of course. So about worry that, which means I want to worry, I want to worry, you know. All those say Ghanaian customary marriage, you know. I invalid and I say null and void. And I was technically no, I was we nullity proceedings. And also the first marriage, a divorce. So here we are. Now I'm person worry. I'm a bit me worry. Why? I am possible somewhere.
But me worry no. I say me can book that worry na I say me Janita. So that
won't worry no. But because I would have to home office and him done, Omunim say what the awaria anya valid aba. And because awaria no anya valid no, omo friend of void marriage anya voidable. Still no, I was say we nullity proceedings. And when you divorce, the friend of nullity. To say divorce na by a slightly complex lawyer, and I will say your mouth. But I was say when you proof say no bana warida. And into court to no enguno. The problem I want to say, one year sana. Well, possibly so. No, I was not worrying idea, and there's no problem. There's absolutely no problem. But I won't worry before. All those who are worrying on your valid, still, I was saying nullity proceedings. Okay.
On one, I'm interested in worrying because one would say or a mistake no why. You see, we say a bit for this out mistake, na media worrying. Person say that certificate I made the worrying on. Let me be used to start the now worrying, and I just a good family and sana my worrying again.
I was so worried for because I had the same person. I wasn't going to cry. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it. But I was said, oh yeah, marriage in for because first one out in a year, and you're valid until winter mean use. And I walk or worry before fraud. Yeah. I was say we had nullity proceedings. Now I am free at the worry. Why?
Okay, thank you so much.
Good luck.
Yes, that's so. Natural wadrian and no answer documents. Nina called Bwf Solicitors. Name Trow Quino. Why? You order for being so so Pacho Unama and the wait 4515. Wona edo so your froze and our case friend.
Manya, good morning.
Good morning.
Fante
Dromo son of I bo.
Oh, Bomodeo Nachiowa.
Oh, Dromona.
Uncle Ben, good morning. Vicky, you Manchester.
Hey, Vicky, what's then?
Yaminadum, Pacho, sir.
Yaminadum, and a pair.
Me Pacho, Manchester for ya can I show that Bana I behold the clinic.
Well, in chat last, your car there, you bought to my Zoom. And your Ghana nurses, ya Zoom. Your Ghana communities in the Bebre, ya Zoom. And because of COVID and on your advice about there, you better congregate. But Zoom, no, be one of them cry, Ubutuma connect. To where ready, woman you na your Zoom link and another Zoomer or your commercial Zoomer. Or business Zoom, no, but to my for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours as unlimited. But say on your commercial, you're limited to 45 minutes. But your business Zoom because you're doing meetings na yama. Why ready? I want you na mention on Lincoln. Na you want casa for about to my 2 or 3 hours on your problem cry. Aye.
Okay, thank you. But Chomo question you maybe some uncle.
Okay.
Pacho now our onion kuna wear Ghana, but we a customary pet. Na sana benyino abrocho ban opeda obantino war besiana na besiano delay kakara na we twa no ho akọ war benyi besia fofor na odinai de onye na irankasa no nware no family ko se hin some pin na ma to the ibotuma ade Ghana certificate na ze besiano botum we jina ono do the prove there in your ason or see or your mukunankasana.
Oh yes, sir. You be our now or your customary marriage. Whether there it was certificate, another in your certificate, our engineer certificate now, or try honor or our there, war and witnesses. Nti certificate on or evidence that they share with baby for especially in the UK. The damn certificate share there. They me worry damn BC and I me worry damn benyin. Menti ote damn de ya worry no and American ye wufie. Titutu na won registry mpom koje certificate and assembly because what one was there worry. Obi enzi nyim there worry. But so oba na ha because I pay a divorce, I pay a application, I pay a woman your British citizenship through papa na mama men on intina eya na ya kwaje marriage certificate near the actual. Anytime besi ana beyin no pay o prove there date day me worry them beyin. Obotuma why statutory declaration what I call assembly. Na assembly na ama a appendix na ono ya marriage certificate white one tintin no na what I yes but to my end them
Your lawyer, that's it. Thank you so much for all you do for the Ghanaian community.
You're welcome,
Patrick.
You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bye.
And thank you, Auntie Vicky.
Thank you, my dear. God bless. Bye.
Bye bye. Oh yeah, and the numbers to call 0203 735 8820 or 0203 286 0185. Ubin so humane so sorry, I'm Semekate. Oh yeah, hello. Pacho offer friend your frozen.
Good morning, I'm Daniel. Free Manchester.
Okay, and then Manchester. Oh, yeah, cause so.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. I have to say.
What I want to say.
Me hoye papa.
We didn't get to be. But say any just feel no. Because 1st October. And that was the idea. We don't want to buy an application. I must say because rampa allow almost yet to my old fee, no.
Well, I have so every week be a bomo coco. Say and nay visa be October de qua and nay your application because I'm son on show application imuno na at least 28 days now I was on the shanaba. Into one person who save 500 and I think it's £520 or so extra in addition to application fee, So ebewu visa bewu October, November, and even December. Yes, December obetimi and September. Ebewu November, October obetimi ayedele. Na wa save size kano because the entire American say where application is here. You be frel. If that's all back bounce, or be upload the documents. Tebeka se be do on that time abem. I'm a word and a bent. This idea about Kuchia says can.
Yo, that's a Michelle.
That's okay.
Okay. Good. Many means good morning. Or say Uncle Ben. Good morning. Or say I heard that with the EU marriage, the Home Office do not give 5 years anymore, but when you apply for your pre-settlement card, it's 5 years. Please, I want to know if the 1 year is up. If the 1 year is up, do you need to go and renew or ignore and hold on to the 5 years card, Uncle Ben? The question.
Well, me the Okano. I'm assuming, sir, or your paper application under the 2016 regulation.
Okay.
I don't know. You say transition provision over and 31st December. I ain't used to no biom. Meaning say no who has some no can there, but all your application either under the old style or under the new style. I was here about 5 years. Sana law no can. To be intimate fan a mao ketwa.
Okay.
As our old style, no residence card and not vignette. A year residence card and not resident permitter. I was also switch a new style EUSS. I a friend of appendix EU no. Na our card and casa plastic card. And a friend of biometric residence either residence card or residence permit. And no. Anna from June no unibia. We EU ni na ukra EU passport kra na wunni sa car. Sorry, 1 year sa application for your mamo card.
Yeah.
But so who permanent residence, who residence card the old style now. I was so called new style.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Ben, me da say. Yo, odofo bi so ahoma so. Pacho free na e frozen.
Good morning, Pacho. Your friend me Nikwe, me very famous in Kings.
Yo, Nikwe bisa wasem ne anko why?
Okay. Pacho, me am the same with Uncle Ben say me wo EU settlement scheme no me wo settled status. Na me as at last month no ya started me sponsor no ya started divorce proceedings e Ghana. Ya hwe ni me say bia almost by next week as I say na ebeba. Ba me wo akwala when ya 10 years and so e wo Ghana can pese me ne ba. Let me be say me to me EU settlement scheme bia mana say me no via the UK law no. Nothing so being requirements na me here. Do I have to fulfill the 18,600 threshold na nothing say me DNA na that to prove say akwala me ba na Pacho me dance.
Okay.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, the Obano, or best bet, no, under the EU law. Once a divorce, no, finalizing, no, still no way, more worry for. You say no, for Obano brand. Yes, DNA, no, listen, Mama Yen cannot correct. Your birth certificate, no, is as useless as anything, okay? Because all to me kojibi, Nigeria ni kojibi, Ivorian to me kojibi. Lebanese for Timmy Kojibi. Obia Timmy Kojibi. Unfortunately, that's why it's sad, but that is what it is. The birth certificate in here is useless. The other part in it, and now me call, now me say a friend in a new so. Now you woman 1975 or maybe a mame. Actually, me call another place. Now me say a friend me Kojo ya Otano. Near woman 1985 or maybe a mame. And it's true. Young in him say, true. Anya yem kwani nim Home Office British High Commission for Intelligence no I catch almost say sa na ye ama ye birth and death registration no e bogus because information about no one awode ma anya say ya record nti say ha wo pay ya capture akola no ana continent crowd but say wo a oba ne nine cry ya ne nine fingerprints I capture untimi answer sanoda.
Exactly.
Yeah, dear no, what are the information come. And we are hoping say a government no bet me improve registration of birth. Near differentiating obia na ye we ya Ghana ni we nya Ghana ni because when you Ghana cry near war Ghana your ma birth certificate. 80 na your advice say because your birth certificate both the British government and the American U.S. state country reports, say a bogus, now reflective of historical facts, advisable says a birth certificate, contemporaneous, akwalana na woye advice ya demo biara say your DNA count. And yet compulsory, DNA yet compulsory, but it's very likely some bekasa will be already 17, 18, 19, 20 there. I then on a birth certificate every 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. To send your birth certificate, I would you won't know idea. My advice, your advice, and I say your DNA. Obey your DNA and so use your Anglian DNA or your Ghanaian Dr. Hazel. Yeah, Adam. I buy a DNA too, or your approved DNA sampler. So, that's what you have to do. Why?
Pacho, me question, Pacho, na to say me sponsor na in tema say na on say on funny pay slip ni any statement na that the we move the address and so free me hano how will I go about it because on one thing and I meet me EU settlement scheme reference one can I use that no any minimum the afano via the EU settlement scheme na.
Well, first of all, when you're EU, and you won't to me for dear don't quamfa no. So I worry, well, so we use EU, at the year. Say, wawa, When in the passport copy or home. Now, so, and away applications or permanent residence and I indefinitely.
Permanent resident and settlement scheme, no, I'm permanent resident, but
yeah, more indefinitely.
But my card and also they're not 5 years, but because of media age, you over 5 years and it's no more settled status.
Your mama settled status, it is inbuilt to say or more acceptance or banner mono what now 5 years. All those someone qualification as
5 years.
A qualified person. Yeah, listen, there's a way around it. Opesa we are obit me. Why?
Okay.
Yo.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Actually, what we are more than to an among book appointment. Not a document near your mouth. Why? Okay, or the atoso. Yo, my next question, Uncle Ben. Patrowa Mafano, just give me 1 minute, me. But why? I say good morning, Sir Ben and Magneti. Please, after a heated tussle and draconian battle with Home Office, I have finally received my status. I was doing research and I wanted to ask if I still need to apply for replacement card under EUSS because Home Office says residence card under EEA 2016 regulation will not be valid, or I can still keep the old card. They said status can be viewed online, but say my worry is what physical documents can we use to travel with our passport via the airline? So we can't trust Home Office due to Windrush scandal. I need your view, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, I may assume nipa ne EU ni. So nye EU ni no ye EU ni abusuani a. Obi o ye EU ni abusuani o ye non-EEA family member of an EEA national. Ye ma card. Okay? Ye ma obi a card, obenya card. However, me who say ye ma indefinite leave. Na ukuta 5 years card na. Aya person say because ukuta 5 years card no ntino. Ye ma card.
Okay.
But there is a way around it, and you know we do help people to get a card. 2 or 5 years now, still no with me, I could do indefinite because who be some will be indefinite no 5 year card. Who compare Juma or card and say 5 years, maybe I can 1 year now.
Yes.
A Juma also saw be permanent to her. Also, letter I say indefinite leave. The contradiction. And I don't know why they're doing that. It might be said they're saving money, but for me, it creates all sorts of problems. But we found a way around it. And there you are, the card and amount. 2 or indefinite leave by a MAO card. 1 year EU need. But who crowd 5 year card by a MAO indefinite leave. You will be beer. Obit me the agent. Sana the more in.
Okay, yo, Uncle Ben. Yeah, that's it. Nipa mienu, but first person who are landline so patcho when I do so. If I say na aka se friend.
But me dey abna person free but
okay. Patcho what's in Costa Rica krama me why?
Yo, that's it. That must be you pa mo ye. Now my question is say me you need family member. Me kuta permanent residence card. And I'm EU settlement scheme, no. Ya bring me letter into my printed.
Okay.
Now, Uncle Ben, because I said New Star, but New Star no meaning. It is the same who say letter me put indefinitely in the UK, and I'm say put a permanent resident card, and no like say be a may renew in 2019. The pancho, some say acquire New Star now or Canada.
Why a new star and intinama indefinite? Permanent residence from June next year and won't mean use you. All those between and any June next year. So permanent residence and amount more rights are EU SS and say among just our rights and between and June. But by June no it be the other advantage is our permanent residence are anytime I obey our British nationality no. Bisa say she say EU no a qualified person because that's another issue. Omo ye new star EU SS no be face it in the future. because yen use qualification as a worker self-employed not at the year no. I also prove qualification for the EEA national. But our permanent residents, in Tiadia Beboa, a Chinabu Koya or British citizen, I would say proof Nikanwa, among how, Wabra Obia, Okuta indefinite leave under EU SSM. Yes, so Koya or British citizenship. In addition, so your application, I was so prove say EU Nina, I wouldn't baby was a Siano. Time I am now indefinite leave, and not I year 5 years. Yes, I won't answer will be used to. Over to work ko benefits or head but from June, no, and yeah, they'll be to me used to the IABBR. Why?
Damn, patrol.
Oh, I did not. Oh, so Anna, hello. Oh, yo, ain't you know when ya one answer, okay. Yo, Pacho, you were cake and so man, so Pacho, good morning. Edu, so over to me, this our question.
Good morning, Michiaone and Kubenina. No problem. So my question is, say, who kumhana oye? Let's say we are Zambrano Keva. Now we're dependent. Now or child dependent. Now also Yamana Zambrano independent. Now wakwaku renew. Muko renew no. Now we're the 18 and the Home Office for so almost reject or no application on the basis they say oh yeah adult. But lastly no na abofano you rejected and now we're the 18 no. Now what can I have for 7 years and subsequently he made an application under the immigration rule the family not only family private life any money 2.5 ne or per se a baby or per se or co-renew. But I would say or apply for fee waiver on any parents nature. However, say the parents in the bank statements in a whole lot of support now. They will not grant the fee waiver because they earn a substantial amount. And then the argument in the say or not the application. No? Because on the year the income almost any income then they will grant. But though and it's no apply on his own right, with on any way. Now or sure let the council say, I say Home Office for no almost accept to say, or adult or adult now and it will add no kasani we the pay slips bank statements anyway. And that person say Uncle Ben, how will it stick? And
well, first of all, more catching so adult. Yeah, we're adult now. When you're dependent adult,
the family.
Keke with you. So when you're dependent adult. When you're dependent adult. Or your household, or parents no count. But also remember, sir, we are parents near your household income. I'll buy a juma account. And so Obano apply for fee waiver. I was so sure on non household income. Okay.
Hold on 1 minute. Uncle Ben, hold on one. KK, there is some noise way background. Am I in feedback with her? Inti pacha obetumi elowa na tie free phone nemo ana better still obetumi dey at all na we tie through the radio.
Okay, my fan true because noise be any hands my e be any phone give it better so.
Yo.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye. Uncle Ben.
First of all, obi a oye fee waiver bia no. Obi a o man support. Say oni una tifie, so oni won tifie. Say oya once or your household and so the definition of household a family members are omotifie bakum. Some more support to no will be of course. Mo income no. Some more support to no will be but mutia da income no. Mo man aduane di, motor electricity mano Now on no with all this and still no ontimi save entua because obi no obetimi aforce momo se momo ntua an application man be already know o ma catch am so adult, but the concern is looking at the broad definition of whether he can afford, because in addition to destitution, potential destitution, exceptional requirements, another requirement is can you afford it? Can you afford it in a broad assessment? Household income. But a household income, no, sana woka no, or no adult. Ade a mo man na se mo man of dying, mo man no aduane, mutu electricity aka ho. Ba mo no muntimi mfa sika no nkotua ni fi no mano a, ko mo wade a mo de mo sika ya. Then of course that's a justification because or your application now, I was so disclose say mutua dan kama mo ne mo nete. Mutua electricity, e bi kra mo man aduane sika. But manyama musika na mode application amano. Enti wobetimi justify say affordability test no meet affordability test. Onye destitute, onye potentially destitute, exceptional circumstance ni ho, but ontimi afford into affordability test no omiti.
Okay, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Memo being said now, man, so can me question back. But well, number ended with 1132. No patch do so. Oh, free in a frozen.
Hello, Patrick. I'm Samuel.
Okay.
The Kazakh David. Patrick, me money program in a Mishamo. Me Uncle Ben. So, Patrick, my question is, my application, me e-union, me for 3 years now. My application in Kwakopa member every Ghana. The application last in November, around 20th of November. And I go share more and I could so Rebecca when 70. I think last week now, me mail 2 years before no across passport now ready for collection tea. And my representative for more eco J-Bar. Passport no mukwaje collection no yesi ano no na visa bia emo passport and there was no decision letter also attached to nyamo de buyer if you hono na because at least get decision letter either say through mail and say yakwaje and na bia enka tema no offer say no kwaje ne could be 30 years for the say because the issue let me anchor what is so normal say on my number but number no a fresh so my friend who friend me friend mo catch me say UKVR for number mo catch me say EU settlement from the time and I apply man for that and almost say almost to be end up and fresh settlement evaluation center for almost me from almost can say UK how apply through settlement scheme no they deal with as I will apply for permit from outside UK there means for UK VR for you need to take as so many times on my reply via ama me 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 eba ebe week ni na person bisa Uncle Ben say wait me actually me kwan dey say me pastor.
Well, I mean, it's so unfortunate. Some applications, almost messing up, big time. It's rather unfortunate. Even where application cry, they might be uploaded, more restricted. On person could to sika, if more application. Ahanka and Sabon free to see on person between £69 and £135. Home Office, unfortunately, no behavior, sano, a buabem, ama unfortunately affect your because unyanka or may ewaha. As lawyers, your tools you use. One of the tools, and yet phone call in Yajuma, meaning said as a quick as an instant. But your tools are you use to, and mobile one of the tools in this obey a complaint, and I'll bet your lawyers, or call Home Office website, a free pre-action protocol form. download the form no na fail it meaning say legal terms in good so but we follow bet me atwere buga English good so once we read here nyansa wo ma ho me sure some beti ase na post to come out within 14 days some were say I was up otiobonka catch almost the issue now complaining and now more threats say obesue omo about unreasonable delay. 1, okay. 2, lack of decision and absence of decision making. Once some of them more documents are more so my no. Now I was so my decision, and yeah, always normal because we want more returning documents, and some of my decision, But someone your decision now clearly not just delay now November to August there. That's a pretty long time in spite of the COVID, What I was saying is obetimi afa lawyer, obetimi akọ home office website, type in pre-action protocol forms. Print sa forms na yiyi de ehu hia na follow format 1 2 3 4 5 6 na post to call address normal the amount. Na tenas na 14 days obeti omonka. Why? Okay. That's okay.
So nyame sure, yeah, that's it. Yo, yeah, cause so it's time 10:38 yeah, go so ewa ha. Many bear so say I am a family member of the Yee National True Marriage. Unfortunately, the lawyer who did the application has misplaced the copy and I don't have a copy also. Please, how can I request a subject access request from the Home Office since I don't remember the exact date and also the type of application made? Uncle Ben.
Well, Cecilia saw as a subject access request on the online Home Office. T key in Google and any search engine. Home Office SAR SAR and our Home Office subject access request. Ebe you form a bro. Again, fill the form na ubetimi aye specific ko mo disclosure no ade o mo disclose electronic documents but paper documents and name o ma print here ubetimi a request it na o my very easy to do. What do proof of identity, the copy of a passport, proof of address, bail, now the account na why na omo the amount.
Yo, intino. Eja wo we ni so no makase your question has been answered. Se utia. Yo, nya odofo bi so amane so. Mpacho number end with 20161. We na edu so. Ye fra o say na okase free. Hello. Pacho wa homa so. Yo, say on ne make Canada, yen kosonian kan your next questions. I'm picking the next one. I say good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, my team. I say please. Oh, I'm say no, I think I've read this one, and I was sending it twice. Here we are.
Hello, Pacho, Madam. Good morning. Pacho, my question is. Me na me worry you but oye gane ni na ya worry no wakana ya di bae na. Hello Pacho, Madam, good morning. Pacho, my question is me na me worry you but oye gane ni na ya worry no wakana ya di bae na ya di and a little girl who said, oh, wow, worry 2012. But when
I think we've answered, we be line, so I'm gonna close it. Now, young next one, and name we still time. Say, good morning, Uncle Ben. Can you please explain the current process of naturalization application for British citizen? I'll see your friend Mike, Uncle Ben.
Mantivo, noise be sounding him.
Okay, sorry. I say good morning, Uncle Ben. I say, can you please explain the current process of naturalization application for British citizen? Na your friend Ben. Hey, Mike, sorry.
Okay. Well, Mike, first of all, so we're adult. or quite say obetimi naturalize as a British citizen. Anti British citizenship naturalization no for adults no section 6.1 and a section 6.2. Section 6.1 no I say ujina wa also.
Okay.
Now requirement is first of all at the date away application no time limit ni was certain at the China said as our permanent residence or indefinite leave to remain and indefinite leave to enter.
Okay.
2. I was such as what's in the UK lawfully for 5 years. And at the date now, we application no now we indefinite no and our permanent residence no like as a 1 year aba and then a 5-year route no and here section 6.1. Ebiom I was so what I say no within the last 10 years we conduct and I say we overstay that until we will be when you are sitting through all the lawful processes now when we overstay that in the last 10 years and also I was so what I say we are a person of a sound mind to why be more da why English language a friend of life in the UK and English test English so we call university now we university degree a UK and I say other foreign countries to say America and Canada and Jamaica then Ghana I was so generic certification confirm certificate valid to say Ghana to say UK dear and also no process certificate and course now the English and a Section 6.2 of 1981 Act no yet kun and British. To say kun and British nema amaka say what na lawfully for 5 years and don't count I was so watch say what na lawfully for 3 years. Ebiom I was so watch say initial watch say your ma indefinite in 1 year but unya indefinite in there. Now worry na 3 sorry we are law for 3 years about now we're indefinite na nko ade na ya ultimate apply ebiom I was so interested in the last 10 years want na ha unlawfully and also ya de ahwe you will be a friend of residential requirement say in any particular year it needs what na outside for more than 90 days in any particular year say 3 years 90 by 3 year 270 and it's what outside for more than 270 say 5 years say section 6.1 it is what outside for more than 450 however up to 900 days so what outside for more than cumulatively you can boom to 5 years say more than 900 still no or justification be a obetimi dia ma residential requirement on the becho. Both 6.1 and 6.2 no require English and life in UK. And in the process we fill a form, a friend of form AN or online. Online is quicker. But matisa bi mu kasa we paper application now. You draw second born son in term because you see an appointment a hot cake we are online say be a winyan in term. But yeah, online for us and better records and neater saved a more data system. Fee no 1,300 or so. Which you have fee now what card it here. We have 2 referees. 2 referees na the omo can send you my correct. Almost no ebi on check you. Why we within a few months, I'll say about 2 to 3 months or may invite you. Say, Brana only may number num tea. That's where oath. Say, see, no tea no any oath, no more remotely. Maybe you use Zoom and our Skype and our FaceTime, but so far they may know I use Zoom and a Skype no more use. We are now when your certificate. When your certificate now, I have British nationality now. Now, Opa, wakwaje British passport. Pencil, ukra Ghana passport. Now wakwaje right of abode. Abum. Now, and one. The process no.
You, Uncle Ben. Me da se obi wa man so na but your question you can sound mind e wo mo no. Say yem bia o obi enya depression kakra anase or bipolar bi kakra anase anxiety bi kakra record on his or a medical report so how bad would that aspect also affect the naturalization no?
Well, I mean, first of all, no, obi wo bipolar or the same period, obi wo depression. Depression, yes, an emotional disease and a mental health issue. Or UK at every point in time, no fan for 10, 3 our mental health issues. The first obi wo mental health issue, no, in chess, or only mental capacity or the BSR decision.
Okay.
It's record of bipolar. And a record of session no yeah another mental health act no it me at the auto mental asylum.
Okay.
So history of that we our application now between my GP actual letter now so we are of sound mind.
Okay.
Because unfortunately no say I ran a very insidious it me obia and say me who say Ghana politicians no mu didi obi wa no do atem so jama or bipolar omo ni bia re di agro no it me chu obia it doesn't matter say na me no te ye din komo nyame pengu it me chi ye mu bia this week and that's why I'm getting a bit emotional about this. So obia when your mental health issue you know, when I hear some politicians will be saying or bipolar, me bompa money panisenya me and fan a bonnet in channel. Bipolar, a very insidious disease. Or him obi outdone or your busian, you know. Utimi lose no suddenly. Yes, we woo, but occur. And especially say Nippon or Ma, it's so sad and touching and it can affect any person.
It's true.
And dear Tema, what dream cow, very, very careful because you say 30% of the population at any one time, you know, your mental health issue. And I hope, sir, you're very careful because mental health issue there, it's Michi Obia, woman be frame this week, Monday, you know, I nearly wept. You know, me no sadly. Now so called that mental health or the form no shenkolano. It's so sad. To be named the entire will be to be training you and him catch and say, all cast ask me because of bipolar. Can you imagine that? And obedient to me and anymore. Anyway, we are where we are. Okay. But yes, the fact that when you're bipolar that or depression. And I said when you're session and that on chess why dream on now I'll be to me at the application.
Okay, thank you so much, Uncle Ben. Yo, many about Anita also facha me why now questions yeah. Say who ni na mo fichi yo o ahoma so o ka se free.
Oh man, good morning. But me ka se free London tuting.
Okay.
Awesome. But so busa Uncle Mama say nkwala 2.5 women 2 times next one no obetimi age 5 years aboma na ana my second question so yeah for me brother osimi musa man say indefinite ne ewu a no ko renew a I was so century IHS fee any woman's fee almost 3,000 no. And I say something less. Okay.
Well, first of all, no, sir, over 2.5 years, I am for 5 years in still passport, but we to switch it from 10 years to 5 years. I don't just say the 5 years in the still passport because over 10 years, and I am for 10 years in still passport. I dear China will be the 10 years and sana when you're indefinite, and I will be the 5 years and sana when you're indefinite. It is sanity. So we'll be called renew indefinite tabia and our card and our and our expire. I finish 238, I think, and yet 3,000 no. Untia IHS. In fact, I will apply for indefinite untia IHS. Nti IHS ne for more apply for limited leave to remain. Okay?
Yo, Auntie Anita, say what dear.
Mbacha mete that's pa.
So yeah, that's mama, so yeah, that's
You,
bye bye.
Bye.
Yo, we still have time. And then, papa opening siama or say obe ne nase betwe wakakra nti no. Ye benya be 5 minutes bi dia kan ya asem ne ho. Okay, I say good morning Uncle Ben, please. You register your customary marriage. Maybe say na watch say you register your customary marriage. Are you allowed to use the man surname? Is it possible to register customary marriage if the marriage has been since 2000? Brofoni biana mama we embremu kaka sparks ne embremu kaka Uncle Ben patroti ne bisa na ase de
Meti asia pa opeso hu se oyusu oware under your customary
marriage
practices now. Obetimi use be man diana absolutely.
Okay.
Udin bia ope we wiase bia wutimi fa.
Okay.
Ti se oko oware obi a ye frɛ no Johnny Ahiagble a. Na wo ye frɛ o akua samansewa. Obetimi once din bia ope bia obetimi afrɛ o hu din bia. Eno ansa wa ye change of name atoso. Na odi aye otimi sesa o passport no fa ukun ni din. Edin bia ope bia otimi fa. Enti no nya problem. Yes. Obetimi aye.
Yo, me dasi. Yenya odofo bi nso ahoma ne so. Oh, odi atoso me pick here no odi atoso. Sorry. We say good morning Magneti, good morning Uncle Ben. I say please, my visa expires in 2020, May 2021. Please ask Uncle Ben if I could renew now to avoid the surcharges, please. The question or no?
Hey, open before dear. Batch of the heavy May 2021 there were crowd. Normally, no, I used to see my 3 to 2 months. Between 2 to 3 months, you know, or years tension now. All those almost earliest time I'll be to my 28 days, you know. Because I will try to avoid the extra payment, you know, which is more than 50% of the IHS fee, you know. I say reasonable, but maybe a water don't patch out my own 2 to 3 months.
Dreams kind of yo. Good morning, Odo from Pachawa Humane. So, Okasa friend, your friend saying so.
Your friend coffee, Kasa free 1 day.
You, Pacho, Bisawasem, why?
Yeah, but this uncle said, Nikita, the European family and Nikita pre-settlement, I indefinite, you know, people, married. Now, Nikita, indefinite card, Nankasan, but me renew, Sana, uncle, Kana, come back from my farm with my new card, you know. So, but you do not, card in the Bewuna, much more renew, new wine.
Oh, yeah, because also got an indefinite card.
Yeah, Nikita, indefinite. Now, me, pre-settlement, maybe.
Ukuta indefinite, I trust indefinite leave to remain.
Yeah, me European family member.
And I said, no, oh, card and into here, baby, why?
I didn't say you're free, man. You're better snack. You keep the people, no? You're better snack the new card for you.
We are sure say indefinite leave in Ukraine.
Yeah.
Ukraine European passport.
Daddy. Me a family member. Me
and we are the internet in Isubino.
Yeah, me the indefinite Nankasa.
What year bear?
I'm again 2016.
Yeah, Mubakuya, you or here indefinite why? I am permanent residence. Or the actual son yaka, yanka you be eka. To her so also permanent residence. Yes, I was also son. Why? I'm also indefinite. What's that?
Me try.
What's over apply there?
New wine, I may, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ose
Manje mante ho no. Ose sa no be
no
dey.
be fa so no renew say open new one ni bia.
Open new one a obekọ internet ne so. So only card a obe use internet. What card a obe use phone. Ti woni card a wokọ internet ne so a wo apply for EUSS now. Because our permanent residence no. Wo click say our permanent residence a adobe go through questions, basic questions be na omo issue indefinite leave letter na ma. Enche bia na wo card number. Why?
Okay.
Yo, good luck. Why?
Yo, it's a office, my homeboy.
Yo, Martin.
Ekwanda o papa, ekwanda o bye. Yeah, asemo yo, ye nua ba bi so ahoma ne so. Mame, mpacho. Wo number end with 2804 no edro so. Was otimi a mpacho do so. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. How are you? Pacho mi bisa. Baby. Mr. Ben, good morning.
Good morning, Ohene Atesai.
Yeah, me adom. Pacho mi bisa. Asemi ama mi nua baby. Pacho oya EU ni na ne ba ekuta EU passport. Na obetimi abetra EU UK na ono so kuta permanent residence.
Pacho obetimi aba abetra why?
Pacho mate.
Obetimi aba abetra.
That's celebrate, Mr. Ben.
Yeni asida Ohene.
Yo, hello, Kola Pacho. Na mani 11:32 na idro so. Your friend say na okase free.
But favorite time me friend earlier on.
Okay.
Na the question jam me bisa we concerning me year any me ba ma wono.
Okay.
But me year joining me Ghana. So me friend me EU ni. Now buy me application am me through settlement scheme no. And so application December 5th you acquire biometrics BBA or Birmingham. And that's up to now the young response from more message and change. But when you the certificate of application about she no more and I'm bisa lawyer say it will be a bear and
Date Bena also more no.
But 5th December last year, and I acquired biometric.
Okay, now from almost a train.
I will press settlement resolution center. How much say and try case where cannot still case so be answer.
I know, Metro will be sir or you super pre-action protocol letter, no fan trauma. Or bet you won't come within 14 days.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Okay. But you might and
okay.
Second question. So me bana my own me back to my 3 years ni then a bit yeah say me apply passport emano and I say on also settlement scheme process na na kwa no be fam
also back from 3 years ni
but in 2017 me was pre-settled status
ana wo ba no kromo ha
but I be on be na ochi bosumi ni kakra ni
naturally say oba no nya British because we month na have 5 years.
Yes.
To date now oba no now we need indefinite leave to remain.
Oh, okay.
What you say?
My chat.
Okay.
Eti ne ba so me settlement scheme bi na ama no identification be no benya.
Sir, wo pese wo ye ma wo ba. Ade a wo se wo ye ne se wo be ye ne passport. What do you passport ni bi ama no?
Ba je there me angel man.
Okay, na che say I was say wo passport ba na either Ghana passport and I say EU passport. Na winya sa passports na afi why internet adeno ana wo the phone so wutimi nya EU card ana passport there and you do phone na be I say Ghana passport na we use there then there obey no internet na so na o mama no 5 years why Asanyame ade acha in 2 years I will be indefinitely. Not just will be to me register Obana as a British citizen. Why?
I just person meet me after 2 years nanka my.
But your person yes, asanya de amu tu kwan akoba bia obetimi aye. Why?
But your uncle, I mean sure we.
Nyame nso nhyira pa.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. It's here for a few minutes, but say radio no echo off kakra. And you know, you better answer some of the questions. Me fa call answer. Yeah, answer some of the questions text messages, you know. Yeah, answer na yeah fan chom kakra. I think say Uncle Ben and Penesia Masi watch minutes kakra binti no. Mesre say me wo hwa. Ne answer your questions say kakra na afedie. Yeah, sorry, ako. Hello, Pacho Owa so your friend say na o ka se friend.
Pacho, your family could be Pacho. I can be last question me na but I'm first me ba.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Pacho Koso.
Okay, Pacho, na me niya mechiba o worry you ni. I'm worry be 7 years ni. To see on so was settled status ba. Bra I'm worry no o try na ho be 4 years ago. Ena onya owo akwala oye 4 years no
Papa hold on Gata na utie me no me say me ho nka wa ha nti entarote
me use phone baby
sa nya feedback pa wa ha se okay so
our settled status and an eba 4 years, but its sponsor no my divorce. They say Akolano obet me the British passport straight a mano and on your settlement scheme in be mano. Because they say on G passport be a man, Akolano nye be a but UK birth certificate, but which way na a best for Akolano.
Owo akwala no na setena ye den.
Owo akwala 4 years ago no na application e court still intina omo farmer no.
Na mo farmer na chese owo akwala no. Se na wa setena nsa na ye court ana na yes setena be na.
Na oni asetena no EU settlement EU application no but e court from 2013 no till 2018 as I want dey court no you can say aware no omugitum na dade na court no home office inform mom no compensate no and that's what happened
well sa time wo na ono any indefinite leave and permanent residence na say akola no nso ye Ghana na eche say ono why
okay only Ghana ni na only settlement scheme no ma say o ma Ghana no be try settlement scheme no be amano because akola no
remind say was brother na benya indefinitely to be me register a 4-year-old as a British citizen.
Oh, but you want to until you know,
so oh brother knows this year indefinitely. So be me register as a British citizen under section 1(3) of the British Nationality Act. So who akwala na uni indefinite. That's a see when you're indefinite. Because it's a see when you're indefinite no. Ultimate British citizenship Emma Obano.
Oh, fantastic news. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Lawyer one. I mean,
Lawyer one. Yo, yes, that's it. My papa, say, penny say, yemre na yede ama ye nti no mama mfa course bi ebiom na opening time no or say you opening dia nti Uncle Ben we dey I am here but I think say we'll just run up here na another time na questions na can you to me ebisa nti I am here nka ya bala ne so 1 minute bi anka na nka ya proper goodbye na enti wo dey membisa me question back. I'm sorry Uncle Ben membisa me question back. We see sorry. I say good morning Uncle Ben, good morning Manyeti. I see I married my wife traditionally in Ghana in 2003. but we did not go for the certificate then. We have 3 children, okay. In 2010, I married another lady, but we divorced in 2015. I am now with my first wife and our children. Would you say our marriage is still valid legally in Ghana and in the UK? Could we go for a certificate now? We wanted to have an ordinance marriage here in the UK. Do you think it's necessary legally? Should either of us, God forbid, die, will the other partner be legally be a widow or widower and entitled to my benefit thereof? Uncle Ben, question him say mood kakrama me. Enti no one have it to me. Can wasem.
I say opeso ko fa na yere dada no. Na yere dada no o ware no. Oja no ho esa ko ware obi foforo. Actually, second marriage, I assume say ujai first one and sana worry second one. Society there be with me and fast the same I worry first one. I was almost a worry for na what they I am and why? Because worry back and I will move on to a different person. So a different person I will move on. Worry. And to be able to assume say wa worry no gui and son a worry ono. Ti won person ba ko ye bibia ebe ha wadwen say when sa worry no. Na just say when go na wo second marriage no nya worry. Ti better say wo be show say second marriage no we go no. Na just say what dey aye asan ko worry o yire dada no. Some profile can say, "Yeah, that is sabe wabe."
What type of say?
Over to your circle.
What type ya ba say? One ni dada na ani nyina omo nyina omo wa ha and never divorce, but o man divorce so. And or the call worry second one no, but second one no na one na divorce so. Enti no opese se a oye dada no ye na ifrankasa. Enti na obisa sa questions no.
Manyati. I'm saying me bunu be as so person oh yeah we are. First of all, no, opposite a prosecute you for criminal offense. Cause so kasa first one year divorce. Why? Opposite will lose was sitting when you're not. Cause so kasa first one year divorce. Two son could use you. You know, I mean, sometimes, you kasa, you bube, and you kasa.
It's true.
Because first of all, as a lawyer, I need some more incriminate you. But so we are persistent, so person will incriminate you. I didn't make a show and I said, "Oh, worry will be no enjaya." Now, sound ko worry will be now the gen crata. Omu say when you are now the gen crata, gen crata from some. If you win your British citizenship, come from some. You know, Mama, very careful with name maybe I can. That is the advice I'm the
Yo, say Martina sem na see baby I okay can econo. Yo Uncle Ben say emre emayem kwante no we de wadaroma ene den na odibeja yen na
first of all mamenda obiase for support omode amaye over the years.
Okay.
Now the be wo makoma so I am a person me catch you nuanom. Basically, ya be wo ha ya mano ebi afi kra no wo year 10 or be ko year 11 or be GCSE or be call lower 6 upper 6 or ko university.
Yeah.
Esramo adwumanya ewo professional field, be it an accountant, medicine, pharmacy, law, I are very difficult. And it is a meribem no more mrea or per work experience. So McDonald's and Tesco's and Yamano. A because a mouse car. But more experience in the field a one a Dutch. Say you advertise it for receptionist. And minya application every student union. Leicester Student Union president onya 2-1 obey a receptionist to her, which means opekwana na law firm.
Okay.
Ade amonti ase na say law are very, very competitive. Menoka say lawyers are solicitors with UK, no? Yeah, about 210,000. Out of 210, no, about 45,000 and award certificates. Practicing certificate, I just say yeah, active. Out of that number, no, 3% and a year blacks. Okay, 3%. What kind 3% out of the number? Last me checking at 4,000. A population of 65 million or even more. Blacks are lawyers who are 4,000.
Okay.
4. Now, I have say, it is and for us as a business, you have opportunities to your community, and I'm not shy to say it. So I prefer some of the opportunity in my community.
Yes.
Because I very difficult. Obia or your student union president when you're 2-1, or person by a receptionist or law firm. Because I very competitive, Onya baby in training and koje training contract. Now, and that's why I, as a person, an individual, my emphasis in life, especially by UK, is to help my community. And I'm very proud to say, sir, I've trained so many people and given opportunities to countless members of our community. Miss Remo, so year 10, year 11. Now, I dream be say or person obey bibia pushing no core profession. Now, your work experience. I no be about year 10 phone, buy a week in Etiamoka, or be by BR, or by work experience. We pay them. Your money application by interview because I am a professor, me train you more. I am fan say you are than for an our community or your collective. You train you more, you train you more. I idea a dama so because sometimes I painful. Say population of 65 million plus. Before I hear lawyers, I hear 4,000 solicitors. I mean, for barristers in count. Barristers cry less. Solicitors. Now, some solicitors in the average age are more than 35 years. Wabra, for average age, I 26. It tells you that there's a problem in the community because yen pushy a man momun river kanko ben okoya work experience maybe I did not question McDonald's, I did not question Marks and Spencer, Sainsbury's because a person £120 a week, not the breathy, not the best aduane. So I get that, I understand that. And that is why our Colebia students on mobile year 10 for every week be more £50. Yeah, the man just for me, I am a sad dear, some me pool in my community, black community, na yet me do baby, I was see you do. And when I see, say, young pushy, your man, listen, young and I have sometimes the opposite way than you know yet. Okay? But I'm saying, say, opportunity or community anymore. Opasa buy mobile ko Facebook madam for be wa na ba of Canada to be work experience wa or me no ka say o dem was here
okay
obeko Canada saba yo omo wie law school be brena wie law school before wie law school onya lawyer hon ko ye adwuma because that is how competitive it is. And the pamochel, listen, you're open any day, anytime. Say your vacancy in Quadia now about at the 15 years, 16 years, 18 years, 19 years. Now some work experience for when you abra my young na yentimi from my community no. I know na and I'm a person me to do.
Yo, Uncle Yadasi, Yenso Yemre Ason, very soon, community, the law and the community, no. The community and the law, sorry, but very soon, will Bwf Solicitors for us every Saturdays between 2 to 6 p.m. in Timonshan and Sona, and also Monfantumo Daremo, and Yastati ya, Ibitumin so alcohol akuti. Tear for Yadamasi, before I go on, so Monya say Bwf Solicitors, and when ya another award, say, one of the best solicitors, family based on family law and best family law solicitors in the UK. Enti mon fantu mukoto mu family law no monim se ne tie. Enti aha ne tie for ye de dwumedi ebe wie. Se me producer na so ya ye shikakra enti no me ntwa so aha na Uncle Ben ye da ase nyame ya doma next week the same time the same place we will meet again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Solicitors situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold